Welcome to London Kids Academy.
E is for apple, red and round, smiling sweetly without a sound. B is for ball, it bounces high, up and down into the sky. E is for cat, so soft and sweet, purring gently on tiny feet. E is for dog with wagging tail, running fast on a happy trail. E is for elephant, big and gray, spraying water in a playful way. F is for fish, who swim so free in the ocean full of glee. E is for goat with a funny bleat, jumping around on grassy feet. H is for house, cozy and bright, windows glowing with morning light. I is for igloo, cold and white, penguins dancing through the night. J is for jelly, wiggly and fun, shiny and jiggly in the sun. K is for kangaroo, jump so high, with baby Joey waving high. L is for lion, king of the land, roaring gently, proud and grand. M is for moon, glowing above, light in the sky with sleepy love. N is for nest, with eggs so small, birds chirping, a morning call. O is for orange, juicy and bright, rolling around in warm sunlight. P is for penguin, sliding with glee, wearing a scarf by the icy sea. Q is for queen, with crown so gold, smiling kindly, brave and bold. R is for rabbit, fast and neat, hopping quickly on little feet. S is for sun, shining so wide, warming the world with golden pride. D is for turtle, slow and shy, walking gently, waving high. U is for umbrella, dancing in rain, splashing puddles down the lane. V is for van, zooming away, on a trip through a sunny day. W is for worm, wiggling around, peeking up from underground. X is for xylophone, colors that sing, ting 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 goes every ring. A is for yo-yo, spinning with flair, up and down through the air. E is for zebra, resting with grace, dreaming stars in a quiet place.